companies, and there's actually a couple more that I haven't heard of, so maybe, let's call it 24 small companies that are in the space here. It's hard to get your hands on the data required to do this stuff. So if there's one message that there are really two messages that I wanted to pass on here. Two opportunities. Almost everybody's here starting a company or working for a forward-thinking company, working for an organization. What makes machine learning different is that you can't just sit there and code yourself away. It's not like back in, you've got Larry Ellison or Bill Gates or Law is actually just sitting there and trying to code something. You need access to data. The vast majority of algorithms are out there and they're open source, right? Like currently, and no less a source of Dr. Ng, who's basically the best known AI prompt down at Stanford, right? There is not currently a competitive advantage through algorithms for the most part right now, right? Like Amazon's algorithm for recommender systems, I can recreate that in a couple weeks' time, right? That's not hard to, I shouldn't say it's not hard, you guys pull the different pieces. The difference is if you go to Cory's bookstore and there's 10,000 items on that, well, how am I supposed to have the same effect as the billions of transactions and hundreds of millions of customers that you see on Amazon, right? The first idea that I want to give to you is that everything within ML is about getting unique proprietary data sources. The data scientists are not going to be able to do that for the most part. That is a business process issue. If you are not a data scientist, it doesn't sound like there are any data scientists or ML devs here, right? If you can learn enough about that side to understand the use cases, to understand where ML might be a fit, you have a huge advantage to be able to go out there and go, how do I put a contract together with a large organization? I don't care if I have to fake it till I make it or whatever. How do I lock up that data set, right? How do I create a tool that I make money in another way that generates data that then allows me to plow in? How do I think a few years down the line in terms of understanding that even if I don't have all the answers right now, knowing that if I have data, and not just data in the right format, right? If I have the knowledge to at least understand and not be that pointy-haired boss, that is a huge, huge opportunity. I would hire 5 product managers if they existed today. I would hire 10 data wranglers. It's easier for me to hire masters and PhDs than it is to hire people from the business side that actually get ML.